Hi friends. So as I told you, those who don't get clay earthen diyas, we can make clay diyas and keep it ready. See, I just made this. Okay, I'm just roughly made this. So with this air dry clay white, you can use any brand, whatever is available in your US, Canada, India, whichever brand you want, you can use. If you're using MSIL or else Shilpkar or molded, you'll have two portions. So take both the portions, equal quantity, mix nicely, and then you can do this. I have done with this direct clay, which is like this. Okay, now I'll leave it to dry. Let me leave this to dry. Let's see how we can make. Now you want to make big or small is your wish. This is only for those people who are not finding clay, sorry, earthen diyas. If you don't get the brown diyas, the regular diya or deepam or deepa, then those people can do this. So what I'll do, I'll make a round ball. Now how big size, how small size you want, you decide. Now so that this doesn't happen, I'll have to put powder so that it doesn't stick much. Now you want a big one or a small one, you decide. Only problem with this is that you'll not exactly get the same size or shape every time, so that's okay. Let's try to have one proper shape. I have done a medium size, so in this I want to do a little bigger size. So I'll just go like this and just make it circle. First make a good circle. Your circle will not be proper. You can take with the rolling pin and do that, but I'm just making like this chapati. Now press this like a katori shape. So all of you would have done this kachoris or anything, right? Those people can make it more neatly. Okay, just give me 2 minutes. Let me shape this. How big you want, you can do. Just every time tap it like this so that it becomes proper. I'm getting lots of cracks, so I'll just close with little water. Now certain clays we have to close it with water. For certain clay we have to close it with powder like this. So it depends on your brand. I am not sure about everything, so just work on your clay, whichever you feel how it is, you can work like this. Now see, this has become a katori type. I'm making the shape. Now I want a round shape, I'll give a round shape. If I want little heart shape, I can make a shape like this. See, like a heart I'm giving. Can you see? This is looking like a heart. Can you see this? Can you see? Now you don't want, you want to give it proper, you give it proper. Proper round circle you can make. Now let's make a proper round circle. This will become proper round circle. Then just check all the thickness from all sides, and wherever you feel it is, in uneven, try to make it proper. Now press it down so that we can have a depth. How deep you want, that you should plan, because it's your deepa, right? Your whatever. If you want to pour more oil, make it little more depth. Now at one side I'll just pinch it little. Okay, now see here the shape has gone. It takes time. Let me properly do it. That's okay. First attempt, it will take time for everyone. Once you do it, you can do better than me. So as I said, next week on 11th October we will have a free session on making diyas. We'll do elephant and peacock diyas. For that I require the earthen clay diyas. So those who have the brown diyas, the regular mud wala, that is very easy. Those whose places it's not available, make this and keep this week, so that by next week it will be dried. So once it is dried, it will become hard. Now it is little wiggly, what to say, very soft. Now this is a big one. Now this is a small one. Can you see the difference? There are two diyas, which is small and which is big. So I'll leave this also to dry. You want to make it little heart shape or little curvy, little, whatever shapes. I would prefer a proper round shape for the elephant and the peacock. It'll be easy. For the peacock we can have little sharpness like this, but for elephant it is better we get a round clay. So I will try to do one round one also, so that you can understand. Or in this, nothing, you make this round, it becomes round. That's it. Okay, now this becomes round. Now, okay, and I have all painting here, so that's getting stuck. That's okay, we will paint it, right? Just tap it down like this. Wherever you feel it is thick, thin, just work on it. That's it. Those who want a round diya, make a round diya. Those who want a, what do you say, a diya like this, make a diya like this. It's all in your technique. So I want for elephant, preferably I want a round one. I should also buy the diyas. I'll buy and show you. Right now I'm just showing for those people who can't find a diya. I think this is good enough. So I'll show you tomorrow. Once it is dried, it will become hard. Right now I did, so it is little wet. So I suggest everyone, please do it and keep it ready, so that on 11th October 2025, that's next week, we will be able to quickly do it. If that time you sit and do, will not be able to do it. So keep your diyas ready in handy. And all the materials that I've asked, please keep it ready. Whoever is still not joined, or you want the link, let me know. I will share the link. Okay. This is one, this is two. You can have a closer. Okay. Chalo, see you, tata, bye bye. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thanks. So now you can see this is completely dried. It's dry and it's quite hard.